I'm Joel Fairbrother from Bow River Law in Calgary, Alberta, and today I'm going to be answering the question, I did something wrong at work. My employer says it has just cause. Is there anything I can do? And the answer to that, the short answer is absolutely. In most cases, an employment lawyer can still get you a severance when the employer claims that they have just cause for termination. The reason for that is in Alberta, when an employer says they have just cause, when they say there's misconduct or performance issues, whatever, leading to their decision to terminate, they often will claim they have just cause, but quite often they don't have it. The bar is pretty high. And the reason the bar is high is because courts don't want to prevent an employee from getting severance. Employers clearly have a motivation. They have a clear vested interest in claiming for just cause, because if there is just cause, then if there truly is just cause, you're not entitled to severance. So they will try tactically to claim this. There are exceptions. There can be just cause in some cases, but in many cases when it's alleged, they don't have it. Examples where it's really hard to prove just cause are things like, poor performance. Employers, they say, well, we expected you to put up these sales numbers, or we expected you to improve this particular relationship with this vendor, or whatever it is, and you failed to do so. Think of it this way. The reason that's not normally going to be just cause is because employers normally only terminate employment when they're unhappy for some reason with someone's performance or conduct. So that's almost always the case in a termination. Just cause needs to be something more. It can be poor performance, but if it's poor performance, there needs to be proper warnings. The behavior expected has to be reasonable, things like that. So the short answer is there are things you can do. You can usually negotiate a severance anyway, because you will have a potential legal position. And if your employer doesn't want to negotiate, you could hire an employment lawyer to sue them for wrongful dismissal, because the odds are pretty high that when an employer alleges just cause, they don't have it. Again, I'm Joel Fairbrother from Bow River Law in Calgary, Alberta, and I hope this has been helpful.